Welcome back to my channel Physics Law. Dear students, today our topic is parallelogram law vectors. Very important topic. SAQ 4 marks question. It was asked so many times in the board exam also. The question is state parallelogram law vectors and derive the expression for magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. This is the question here. ఈ తెలుగులో ఏమంటామంటే ప్రశ్నని సదిశల సమాంతర చతుర్భుజ నియమాన్ని రాసి ఫలిత సదిశ యొక్క పరిమాణానికి మరియు దిశకి సమాసాన్ని రాబట్టండి అని ప్రశ్న వస్తుంది పరీక్షలో. ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమొస్తుంది? స్టేట్ parallelogram law vectors and derive the expression for magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Should focus here, my students. Very important topic for 4 marks. Okay. Now, so here 4 marks here. For statement 1 mark. Figure 1 mark. Derivation. That is the equation of the magnitude 1 mark and equation of direction 1 mark. Total 4 marks here. For statement here. Statements here. Statement of the parallelogram law vectors. If two vectors are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, both in magnitude and direction, drawn from a point, then the resultant of these two vectors is represented by the diagonal drawn from the same point. Now I will explain the statement by using figure also. So should focus here, my students here. Should focus here. Okay. See here. Now look here. This is OACB is a parallelogram. OACB is a parallelogram. Parallel means here opposite sides are equal. These and these are equal. Okay. Now OA, OB. OA is nothing but P bar. OB is nothing but Q bar. These are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Telu asana bhujalu antam. So P bar and Q bar are two vectors. If two vectors, see here. If two vectors are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, both in magnitude and direction, drawn from a point. Here point is what? Here. Drawn from a point. Then the resultant of these two vectors is represented by the diagonal. This is diagonal. R bar. Diagonal. OC bar. OC. Divided by the resultant of these two vectors drawn from the same point. Means here OA from O only, OB also from O only, OC also from only. All are drawn from same point O. Okay. If two vectors, here what is vectors? P bar and Q bar are represented by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, both in magnitude and direction, drawn from a point. Then the resultant of these two vectors is represented by the diagonal. That is R bar, that is OC bar, drawn from the same point. This is statement. Okay. తెలుగు ఏమంటామంటే ఏవైనా రెండు సదిశలను ఒక సమాంతర చతుర్భుజం యొక్క రెండు ఆసన భుజాలుగా సూచిస్తే పరిమాణంలోను దిశలోను, అప్పుడు ఆ రెండు సదిశల యొక్క ఫలిత దిశ అనేది ఆ సమాంతర కర్ణం ద్వారా సూచించబడుతుంది. కర్ణము అంటే డయాగ్నల్ అంటే ఇది తెలుగులో అంటాం. సో స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 మార్క్. నో ఫిగర్ 1 మార్క్ here. So figures here. So let theta is the angle between P bar and Q bar. P bar and Q bar here. Two vectors. Theta is the angle between P bar and Q bar here. And alpha is the angle between P bar and R bar. What is R bar? Resultant of these two vectors, P bar and Q bar. Every vector has compulsory both magnitude and direction. So here also R bar is the resultant vector of the p bar and q bar. So r bar also has compulsory magnitude and direction. Now our aim is to derive the expression for the magnitude and direction of the r bar. Here r bar is the resultant vector. We get r equal to under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Alpha equal to tan inverse of q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. ఆ రెండు మేము డిరైవ్ చేయాలండి ఈక్వేషన్స్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇవి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఐపీ, ఎంసెట్, జేమెయిన్, నీట్ అందరికీ అన్నింటిలో యూజ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ పాలోగ్రామ్ లాక్టస్ హియర్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ హియర్ ఇన్ ఫిజిక్స్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ హియర్. ఓకే, now how can you derive jalpanu? So now here just I extended this one here, this one I draw a CD is a normal on this one here. So here q bar I get theta, same theta is same here also. Now here we know resolution of vectors. Every vector has two components here, along x axis, along y axis here. Here also what here q bar has two components. One is q cos theta, that is AD equal q cos theta. The other one is CD is nothing but q sin theta. AD equal to q cos theta, CD equal to q sin theta. That is well known in the case of vectors chapter. Okay, q cos theta, q sin theta here. Now we want to expression for first R. Okay, statement 1 mark, figure 1 mark. Next to expression for R, capital R. What is capital R here? Here R bar is a vector. Here R bar is a vector. It is well known to you. So R bar vector means it has magnitude and direction. But what is magnitude here? That is nothing but mod R bar, or simply we can say R. Be careful here. The magnitude of the resultant vector R bar is nothing but we can write like mod R bar, or simply write R. And where is direction here? Alpha. This is alpha is the direction of the resultant vector R bar. R bar అనేది వెక్టర్. ఏ వెక్టర్? రిజల్టెంట్ వెక్టర్. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం? ఫలిత సదిశ అంటాం. దానికి ఏముంటుంది? పరిమాణం ఉంటుంది, దిశ ఉంటుంది. ఆ పరిమాణం ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అంటాం దాన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో. ఇది డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ దిశ అంటాం. ఈ రెండింటి మనకి ఏం కావాలి? ఈక్వేషన్స్ డెరైవ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అది మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇక్కడ. ఎవరికి? ఆర్ బార్ అనేది రిజల్టెంట్ వెక్టర్. దాని యొక్క పరిమాణానికి దిశకు రెండింటికి ఏం చేయాలి? సమాసం రాబట్టాలని ఈక్వేషన్ డెరైవ్ చేయాలి. చేద్దాం. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్. దీనికోసం అగైన్ వి యూస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఫిజిక్స్ మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకి నౌ యూ హావ్ టు డెరైవ్ ది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ ఆర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్? magnitude, capital R, magnitude of the resultant vector R bar. R bar is the resultant vector of P bar and Q bar. Capital R is the only magnitude of the R bar. That's what we want. Again we use mathematics here. See here. So here O, A, C, B is a parallelogram. Very well known to you. And look here, O, C, D is a right triangle. So in triangle OCD, okay, OCD triangle, we can write here OC square equal what? OD square plus CD square. Okay, OC square equal to OD square plus CD square. This is well known to you according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, OC square equal to OD square plus CD square here. But here OD equal what here? OD equal, you can add here OA plus AD. OA plus AD nothing but OD. So OA plus AD. Now writing this one here. So OC square equal what then? OD means what? OA plus AD. Whole square plus CD square. Okay. So I can write here, this is nothing but A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. OA, let A, B. A plus B with the form of A plus B whole square. Mathematics, 6th class formula. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here OA square and A square plus 2AB. OA into AD plus again B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square plus again here we have CD square. Okay. So A square, OA square plus 2AB plus B square plus again this is nothing but same as CD square here. Okay. So Now look here, I write again here OC square again OA square plus 2 into OA into AD plus AD square plus CD square. I wrote again here, same equation I wrote here. Okay. But look here, this is nothing again here. Again one more triangle here, right triangle. ACD. ACD what here again? AD square equal what here? AD square plus CD square here. So OC square equal what? OA square plus 2 into OA into AD plus this is nothing but here. Nothing but what here? AC square. Since in triangle ACD, see here, ACD, AC square equal what here? AD square plus CD square. As is well noted. So, might be very, very important question for IP 4 marks here. Okay. So, this is one. Okay. Now, look here, we got OC square equal YA square plus 2 into YA into AD plus AC square. Okay. Now, look here. Now, look here. So, here, but from figure, OA equal to PE. OA equal to P. And OB and AC equal to Q. Okay. And AD equal to Q cos theta. CD equal to Q sin theta. And OC equal what? R. OC equal R here. Okay. So, OA P, OB Q, AC also Q, CD equal Q sin theta, AD equal Q cos theta, and OC equal R here. Now substituting all these in this equation, then we get, look here, OC is what here? R square equal to OA, P, plus again OA means P, AD is Q cos theta. Again AC means here, AC, Q. So what we got? R square equal to P square plus 2P cos theta plus Q square. So we can write here therefore R square equal what? P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. This is our required equation. What is our magnitude of the R bar? What is R bar? Resultant vector of P bar and Q bar. Okay. What is our here? Magnitude. We got R equal under root P square plus Q square plus 2P cos theta. Very, very important equation formula. Useful for IIT, JMA, NEET, MSTET, whatever it be. Very, very important here, my students here. Okay. Next we want direction. What is direction here? Alpha. Alpha is the direction of R bar. Alpha is the direction of R bar. Now we want expression for R bar. Okay. Now see here. Now we want direction alpha. Same in triangle again. See here OCD. OCD. Come on. Tan alpha. Math trigonometry formula again. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side here. Tan theta equal always opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta equal to. Okay. Now look here. Tan alpha equal what here? You can add here. Opposite side means CD by this is what here? OD. CD by OD. In triangle OCD. Tan alpha equal to opposite side CD by OD. But again OD equal what? OA plus AD. See here. OD equal to OA plus AD. So we can add here therefore tan alpha equal what here? CD by OA plus AD. So tan alpha equal to, we can add again. But CD equal what? Okay. Same. But CD equal same. Q C sin theta. CD equal to OA equal to P, comma AD equal to Q cos theta. Now writing here. So therefore tan alpha equal what here? CD means what? Q sin theta by AD. OM is P plus Q cos theta. So tan alpha equal to, we can add here, that is tan inverse of Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. So this is my difference here. Now we got alpha equal to tan inverse of Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Okay. This is the direction. So R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2B cos theta, and alpha equal to tan inverse of Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. So okay, this is the answer, my friends. Okay, should practice at least 2 times. Don't waste time. Prepare well for the examination. ఓర్చుకో నేర్చుకో గెలుచుకో. ఓర్చుకో కష్టాన్ని, ఎంత కష్టమైనా సరే. నేర్చుకో విషయాన్ని అంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ని. గెలుచుకో విజయాన్ని. ఓర్చుకో నేర్చుకో గెలుచుకో. టెన్షన్ పడకు, ధైర్యంగా ఉండు, మంచి ప్రిపేర్గా. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఓకేనా? భయపడకండి, మంచిగా నేర్చుకోండి, చదువుకోండి, మంచి మార్క్ తెచ్చుకోండి ఎగ్జామ్లో. ఓకే మై స్టూడెంట్స్, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియోస్ and subscribe my channel Physics Globe. Okay, and visit my channel, and always learn the subject by using my videos. Okay, thank you very much.